Welcome to English class for 7th graders. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about how to ask information related to animals. Do you have a pet? What pet do you have? Where does it lie? What does it look like? What does it eat?
Where are we going, Mom?
We are going to go to a zoo. You can see many animals there.
Are there any wild animal?
Of course, dear. The zoo has wild animals, like tigers, lions, crocodiles, bears and snakes.
Wow, that's great. What does that bear look like?
The bear has a large body. It has stocky legs. It has a long snout. It has shaggy hair and paws with claws. It has short tail.
What does it eat, Mom?
It eats fish and mammals. It also eats grasses, roots, berries and insects.
Can they climb, Mom?
They can climb and swim, son. Bears have a large brain and are one of the more intelligent mammals.
That's awesome, Mom. I will take some pictures of them and send the pictures to my classmates.
That's good, son.
Finally, my friends and I are here at a forest village. By the way, where are my friends?
Hi, Ahmad.
Hi, Umar. Come here.
How's your room, Ahmad?
It is nice. My room has 2 beds, 2 wooden chairs, and a small table, a mirror on the wall, and a small cupboard at the corner. I like it. Where are our friends?
They saw some monkeys hanging on those branches over there. So, now they are hunting those monkeys.
Monkeys?
Yes, some monkeys.
What do those monkeys look like?
They are big. They have a long tail. Their fur are black.
That's cool. I can't wait to hunt photos. Some villagers said that there are many beautiful birds here. Usually, they fly every morning to seek fruits.
That's great. Our trip will be wonderful.
Now, answer these questions. What does it look like? Yes, you are right. That bear has a large body. It has stocky legs. It has shaggy hair. It has paws with claws. Where does it lie? Yes, you are right. Bears live in forests, mountains and grassy areas. What does it eat? Yes, you are right. It eats fish and mammals. It also eats grasses, roots, berries and insects. Now, you know how to ask and give information about animals. That's all for today and see you.